the whole entire thing. It's pretty mini. It's not
Okay.
like big enough like a.
Woo. Okay. Recording again. Okay,
You
we're
said
recording.
you don't want one.
Okay, recording's all set up again.
I also have powdered sugars.
Okay, so recording's done. What we need to do so it can move. So we. Okay, so if the recording's done.
Hey, Dad, I did turn on my phone.
I know. I'm recording right now. I'm recording the nature.
Alright. So same way back home.
No thing you can go for.
Okay, don't worry. Let's go. There, now it's actually going.
This looks good.
Why
I
was
know,
this
hard to
big?
ruin the brownie.
This big.
The Black Bear Diner was pretty empty.
I know. They never get sales.
No,
I mean, we gotta go back home now.
it's not crowded on a Friday
You
night.
know why? You know why? Because they're always going to Red Robin or.
I
You
mean,
know why?
Well-
Because Red Robin and those places have liquor.
Yes.
Beer and wine and adult
too bright, too bright,
Go way down.
too bright.
Oh,
I kind of just did it the other way.
Oh.
Oh well.
We have a lot of people that work for our community.
Oh well. Hello time.
Because she introduced me.
So comfy.
I guess if you just wait
Light on.
until it's clear.
Perfect. Light on. Recording. Pillow behind my back. Perfect. Perfect timing.
Especially for me.
Air's on. Air on.
That sounds like.
Air on.
That sounds like Dax.
And they're right
Recording.
next to Fatburger. Really?
Pillow. Lights
Just roasted
on.
Dax.
Air. Stick. Recording. Pillow. Light. Air.
That's the speaker. That is air.
And lastly, stick.
That's a light.
Too
That was a
much
light.
nature. Nature things complete.
Got it.
Nature complete.
Hey, can you
Now I can rest in nature.
I turned it on.
Now I can finally rest in nature. Well, now I can finally rest in nature.
Fatburger.
Hey, Dax,
Hmm?
who taught you to talk?
My mommy did.
Huh?
Cause you're even louder than me.
Yeah. 'cause you're
La la la.
No, it's like the worst talker.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, now he's the worst one.
Now I'm like best talker. I'm the best talker.
He used to be so quiet when Dax couldn't talk.
I know. I just want him back. I'm hungry. So I can turn.
I like you.
If I could turn back time.
Well, we can't.
You can talk.
Well, we're still the same, but we get to see ourselves in the past. That's what's right when we go into time travel. You just see yourself doing what you did in the past. I guess I watched a video about time travel.
Oh my gosh.
I watched the video about that.
It's a book. I read a book about time.
I watched videos about it. I watched videos about it. Me too. In books.
I taught you how to read, Dax.
I just my
No, it's
stick.
my gun.
Mommy,
Mommy's not even here just to like.
go go.
How did you learn to read?
You learned during.
By Miss Green.
He said Miss Green and every other
Hey,
teacher.
hey, Lauren, look, Lauren.
Dax, you
Lauren.
learned when you were home
Yeah.
during the pandemic.
Lauren, look, I'm gonna turn this
Just
on by.
stuck it. Can you speak
Try to-
louder?
I
All of us
turn this
said,
on. I turned my light on with just a stick. A stick just turned the light on.
You learned how to read with this.
I turned my light on with just a stick.
I need the stick because I can't reach. Can you pass it over?
Sorry, I'm about to fart. And I just farted.
Idiot.
But you can use the TV.
What is wrong with this seatbelt? We don't even have a TV. Seatbelt's really tight. It's turning me.
What about you watch something and get over
Let
it?
it go.
Guys, what about you watch something on the board that you guys have? You know,
Pull it way out.
we have a TV. We have a Roku. Maybe you can use it to watch a game, to watch a video, or we can play games on it. Who knows? You can't see it.
Okay, now does it feel
Out
better?
in the streets.
Feels okay?
Talk.
So, well, I don't. Well,
Cheese and me.
I mean,
It's ready to talk.
I you can't hear.
You turn it up.
Now let's sing my little recording, pillow, light, air, stick, and TV.
You were looking for answers about me. You are not responsible for their
Oh, I forgot
choices.
one part.
No,
TV,
it's their death.
recording,
No.
pillow,
Yelena asked
light,
why would the spirits reward
air,
Arendelle with a magical
stick,
queen? Because
and
our
TV,
mother
all up
saved
for
her
nature.
father. She saved her enemy. Her good deed was rewarded.
seatbelt,
You are a gift.
recording, pillow,
If anyone can resolve the chaos,
light,
if anyone can save Arendelle and free this forest,
air,
it's you.
stick,
I believe in
TV,
you.
seatbelt,
Anything.
and that's it. There's nothing else like it. That's it. Those are the things I need for nature.
Honey Marion said there was a fifth spirit.
Huh? What do you mean, Elsa?
Magic of nature and us. A fifth
Elsa, talk to me!
It's who's been calling me
Elsa!
from Haunted Hollow. The answers about
Try to
the
get
kids
Elsa to
all
speak to me. Elsa!
to Haunted Hollow. Not me.
Are you speaking over me?
What? The dark sea is too
Trying to do a
dangerous
jinx
for us.
on you.
No,
No,
we
no.
do this together. Remember the song? Go too far and you'll be drowned. Who will
Jinx.
stop you from going too far? You said you
Hey, why are you
believed
still
in me.
talking?
This
I
is what
did a
was
jinx
born
on
to
you.
do. I don't want to stop you from that. I don't
Stop it,
want to
Elsa!
stop
I
you from
did a
being
jinx
whatever
on
you
you.
want to be. I just don't want you dying, trying to be everything
Okay, fine, I give
everyone
up.
else do. Don't do this alone. Let me help you, please. I can't lose you,
This is what
Elsa.
it looks like that day.
Nicola!
Oh.
Recording! Light, air,
Give me a hand.
TV, I'm still recording. The record time is still going. Turns out. Hey, look. My recording thinks it's in the desert.
Together.
Yeah, but what I mean is I'm sensing rising anger in me.
You're angry?
I think so. Elsa pushed me away too and didn't even say goodbye.
And you have every right to be very, very mad.
You said something's never changed, but since then, everything's done nothing but change.
So cool. Wow. People, ba 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 ba.
That's a good baby.
People, ba 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 ba. People, ba 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 ba. People, ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba.
The giants, they're huge.
Just figured out Who tangled me around with wires?
Probably Dad.
Who wrangled me around with wires back here?
You did.
No, I did not. I was sleeping and then I got tangled.
In a bed.
Oh well.
No way out.
At least it's easy to get off at least.
Pitch black, man. Come on, it'll be fun. Assuming we don't get stuck here.
Hey, who tangled me around with wires again? Oh well, maybe it's just a pillow. Or maybe it's just a fairy or a ghost. Hello. Need a pillow for comforter. And the recording is going good.